So now that we've got our chunk of wood prepared, we'll go over to the drill press. And I've set this drill press up here with a Forstner bit in it. A Forstner bit drills a hole that has a flat bottom. You'll notice that there's a piece of tape right here, and the bottom of the piece of tape indicates the 1.5 inch depth that I need for the hole. And so we'll just bring the piece up here. We're going to turn this on, and it's rotating at about 600 RPM. And just carefully enter this cut to begin with. Every now and then you want to release it a little bit and pull the shavings out of the hole. And I'm going to go until I can see the bottom of the tape just kind of disappear below the surface of the wood. That should be the depth that we need. I'll take the bottle and set it in, and I want it in so that it's about flush with the top of the wood. Now when we put this on the lathe, I'll turn a little bit of this away so that it will actually expose the dome on the top of the bottle.